Top 5 most expensive houses of YouTubers. Welcome to the luxury life.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.
We've heard a lot, and we all know James Charles with his makeup and clothing line, and his sister's family is one of the fastest and biggest growing channels on YouTube, and there's no sign he's stopping so soon.
Hot pants are up here. I have all different t-shirts on the bottom row, and then I like to keep my sister's apparel style right here for super.
As you all have seen him all over the TV shows and all over the internet, this kid from Ohio has made a name for himself as an actor, an influencer, an artist, as well as a boxing, which he entered recently. And with all that comes a lot of fame. So coming up at number 4, Logan Paul.
This massive circular couch.
Most expensive thing in this house.
Really?
How much do you think each of those couches
I don't know, like
I would say sit on them, but then you think they're less expensive.
what, like 50,000 a piece?
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.
As the younger brother of Logan, he has followed his brother's footsteps and he has made a name for himself as a Disney star, an artist, a YouTuber, as well as a boxer. And there's no sign he's stopping soon. And this kid from Ohio has made a name for himself, and a fortune comes with that. As one of the fastest growing YouTube channel and as one of the biggest family YouTube YouTubers, the Ace family has reached its peaks. And with all of that comes a great wealth. And I mean a great wealth. They're currently living in a $10 million mansion. So welcome, the Ace family.
Houses before, and we literally combined them together.
This is where there was a gap between both the houses. And so they literally had to recreate this area. That's why it's so unique and so
As you all know him by his makeup and closing line, he is indeed successful and has named himself as one of the biggest beauty experts. And he's holding the biggest house as a YouTuber. Please welcome Jeffree Star.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.